Muladhara, the root chakra. The first petal of this root chakra is Bliss of Union, Yogananda. Anybody who has issues with the partnerships, union, collaborations, agreements, or working with bigger companies and contracts, this petal needs to be healed in root chakra. The next petal is Highest Bliss. This is a very common question which I ask people, that blissfulness comes from which chakra? Generally the answer is Crown Chakra, but it's not. It's Highest Bliss is Root Chakra petal. It's the annotation in Sanskrit is Parmananda. So next petal is Heroic Bliss, Vira. Now here Heroic Bliss means something you will do heroic. Like I have a client who has broken her tailbone 5 times, but still she's a skydiver. So such persons do heroic stuff, who do mountain summits or big summits or do heroic act in their life, like still their body parts or bones are broken but they come back again. Such people, this petal and this root chakra is balanced over there. This petal is working for them. And such people who cannot take more risk, this petal is not working for them. Next is Innate Bliss. This is Sahajananda, means you are blissful, now you start radiating it out. So this also is a part of root chakra. Now this information about root chakra is not available anywhere on the internet, that which petal means what and how it's going to work in your lifetime, how emotionally it's connected. Now second chakra we are talking about here is Swadhisthana, sacral chakra, spleen. It's a second chakra. The first petal here is delusion. The person is in delusion world. If you find this interesting, we are having a workshop on the manifesting, abundance, growth and healing through chakra balancing and astrology, where you will learn many such tips in chakra and astrology and helping you to transform your life. Join our workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm as Puja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. So if you're looking to achieve unobstructed growth, I invite you to join my workshop, where you will learn the importance of chakras, the balancing of it, 3 practical steps of cleansing, balancing and enhancing, the significance of astrology, the planets, how it affects your life, the significance of your name and the date of birth in your growth. This is the GPS coordinates. It's already been written, the script is already been written. So we help you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.